Hi everyone, I am Reshma, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry from E-Content Development Center, Majalis Arts and Science College, Puramannur. Here I am going to discuss about environmental chemistry, and after listening this class you will be aware about environmental chemistry and ecology, and also aware about different segments of environment, namely atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere, and you will get a basic idea about environmental pollution. And what is environment? Environment literally means surrounding, and environmental chemistry is the study of chemical phenomena in environment. It includes reactions, sources and fates of chemicals in air, soil and water. Environmental chemistry is a multidisciplinary chemistry because it is a combination of chemistry, physics, biology, life science, agricultural science and public health. Before going to the main session, you just listen about ecology or environmental biology. This is the study of interaction of living organisms with other living organisms, and living organism with non-living component of the environment is called ecology or environmental biology. And there are 5 ecological factors that can direct, regulate and influence the activities of living organisms. First one is topographic factors. In topographic factors, this include rivers, seas, lakes, mountains, valleys, altitudes, etc. And the second one is climatic factors. Climatic factors are rain, wind, snow, humidity, heat, light, temperature, etc. And third one is edaphic factors. Those are air, water, soil, etc. And fourth one is chemical factors. Those are gases, salinity, pH and so on. And the last one is biotic factors. This include all types of interactions between living organisms. Next is constituents of environment. Environment consists of abiotic non-living components, biotic living components and energy components. All the non-living things such as air, water and soil are included in abiotic non-living components. All the living organisms are included in biotic living components, and example for energy component is solar energy, thermochemical energy, etc. And environment having 4 segments. Those are atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. The first one is atmosphere. It protects the earth from hostile environment of the outer space by a protective cover of gases. The gas envelope has a maximum density at sea level but thins at the upper regions. The main components are nitrogen and oxygen, and also contains carbon dioxide, argon and ozone, then traces of helium, neon, methane, etc. The atmosphere is a reservoir of several elements essential to life and serves many purposes and functions. Then the functions of atmosphere. Atmosphere acts as a source of oxygen for living organisms and source of carbon dioxide and nitrogen for nitrogen fixing bacteria and also for plants. It absorbs most of the cosmic rays and all the other harmful radiations and allows only near UV, near IR, near RF radiations to Earth. It absorbs a part of IR radiation that emitted by sun and also that re-emitted by the Earth, and maintaining the thermal balance on the Earth. It acts as a vital carrier of water from ocean to land as a part of hydrological cycle. The next one is layers of atmosphere. Atmosphere having various layers. The first and lowest layer is troposphere. Next layer is stratosphere. Third layer is mesosphere. Fourth layer is thermosphere and the upper layer is exosphere. Second segment of environment is hydrosphere. This includes all the surface and groundwater resources such as oceans, seas, rivers, streams, lakes, reservoirs, glaciers, polar ice caps, groundwater and water locked in rock and crevices, and minerals lying deep below the earth crust. About 97% of earth water is in oceans and 2% in polar ice caps and glaciers. Only 1% is available as fresh water in rivers, lakes, streams, etc. And as for groundwater, water is a universal solvent. Water is also the main medium by which chemical constituents are transported from one part of an ecosystem to others. The third segment of environment is lithosphere. It is the outer mantle of the solid earth. It consists of minerals occurring in earth crust in the form of soil and rocks. Soil, which is a mixture of minerals, organic matter, weathered rocks, air and water. And rocks, which consist of various minerals such as asbestos, gypsum, clay, hematite, calcite, quartz, etc. This is the third segment of environment. And fourth segment is biosphere. It denotes living organisms and their interaction with the environment, namely hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere. In biosphere, plants and animals live together, being dependent on each other and also interact with other segments of environment. Biosphere is defined as thin outer layer of earth capable of supporting life. In biosphere is very large and complex, so it is divided into subunits are called ecosystems. These are the 4 segments of environment. Next, here is a basic idea about environmental pollution. The contamination of any part of our environment, particularly through human activities, by undesirable substances which ultimately have a negative effect on the environment is called environmental pollution. It will cause undesirable changes in physical, chemical and biological characteristics of environment. It will create very bad conditions of environment in terms of quality and quantity. Pollution is one such damage caused by the development on human society. It will become a biggest problem to humans. And here the main pollutions are listed here. First one is air pollution, water pollution, then soil pollution, noise pollution, thermal pollution and radiation pollution. We can discuss these pollutions in detail in the coming classes. Thank you.